Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on October the 22nd, 2019. China sees progress in trade talks. Chinese Vice Foreign Minister Li Yucheng said on Tuesday China and the United States have achieved some progress in their trade talks. He also added that any problem could be resolved as long as both sides respected each other. The two countries have been working to resolve their trade dispute. The United States presented a Phase 1 deal with China on trade matters and suspending a scheduled tariff hike for October. Meantime, Li also warned that China would never trade away its core interests or allow other countries to undermine its security. No one should expect China to swallow the bitter consequences of undermining its interest, whether on the land or at sea, whether it's Taiwan, Hong Kong, Xinjiang or Tibet, he said. Digital banking company Revolut plans to issue its cards in the United States by the end of this year through a partnership with payments giant MasterCard Inc., the two companies said on Tuesday. This announcement follows a similar deal last month when Visa Inc. partnered with Revolut as part of its global expansion plans. Revolut, one of the world's fastest-growing bank account providers, aimed to reduce the biggest banks such as Bank of America and JP Morgan Chase on everything from foreign exchange to current accounts and remittances. We're going to ensure our product is better value for our customers. Most U.S. banks charge $10 a month for an account and $10 through $15 for local transfers, and will be offering both for free, said Nikolai Storonsky, Revolut chief executive and founder. Oil falls amid caution sentiments on the market. Oil prices dropped on Tuesday as ongoing economic weakness waned on sentiment along with cutting of global oil demand estimates. International benchmark Brent crude oil futures fell 10 cents or 0.2% to $58.86 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures decreased 12 cents or 0.2% to $53.19 per barrel. Brent has fallen 22% from its April peak, while WTI is down 20%. Goldman Sachs on Tuesday cuts its 2020 global oil demand growth forecast to 1.3 million barrels per day from 1.4 million barrels per day previously. It also trimmed its forecast for growth in U.S. shale output in 2020 to 0.7 million barrels per day in 2020 versus a previous forecast of 1 million barrels per day. Trudeau wins a second term as Canada's PM. Justin Trudeau has won a second term as Canada's Prime Minister during the country's federal election, but his slight victory means he will lead a minority government that will be forced to depend on other parties to govern. The Liberals were leading with 146 out of 304 electoral districts that had reported results late on Monday, according to the national broadcaster CBC. Trudeau needed to win 170 seats to secure a second majority government. Despite Trudeau's attempt to strike a conciliatory tone, Conservative leader Andrew Scheer warned the Liberals, saying, "Mr. Trudeau, when your government falls, Conservatives will be ready and we will win."